Hey guests, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I'm participating in an open collab hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, Courtney from Amethyst Adventures, and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now every Tuesday these ladies ask us to create a tablescape, freestyle, our style, or any style. But first, here on the Rodgers House, we do shout outs supporting inspiring YouTube creators. And today's shout out goes to Cheryl at I Style My Style. On her channel, she's the queen of black, white, gold, and green with warm, cozy, and moody vibes. So check out her channel and let her know that Felecia from the Rodgers House sent you over. Now in today's tablescape, I was inspired by Cheryl's channel to do an end of the summer, early fall tablescape transitioning into warm and cozy, moody vibes, my style. So I started off with this beautiful warm taupe tablecloth and added those really nice woven chocolate swirl placemat that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. And then I added my white charger plates and those rich green Dollar Tree plates. On top of those, I added those pretty botanical saucers that I purchased from Pop Shelf. For my napkins, I added those beautiful sunflower napkins that I purchased from Home Goods underneath the saucers. I finished the tablescape with matte black flatware from Pop Shelf, smoke water goblets from Dollar Tree paired with my mom's vintage wine glasses, and for the centerpiece, I used my rustic wood riser, a beautiful white thrifted bowl filled with moss green orbs and that beautiful succulent floral, both purchased from Hobby Lobby, and of course my signature R from Michaels. So I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video to music. So guests, I hope you enjoyed seeing my warm and cozy moody vibe tablescape, my style. And if you did, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. Please don't forget to go over and watch the host channel along with the playlist of the participants that are taking part in this collab. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.